Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect pie sheet. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for a perfect pie sheet. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter cut into small cubes, about 1/2 cup of ice water, and a teaspoon of salt. Keeping the butter extremely cold is crucial for achieving that wonderfully flaky texture we all love. Using a food processor or a pastry blender will help you combine these ingredients efficiently without overworking the dough. First, combine your 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl or food processor. Next, add your 1 cup of cold, cubed butter. Cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs, with some pieces about the size of small peas. Then, gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just begins to come together. Be careful not to add too much water. Once your dough is formed, gently shape it into a flat disc. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 days. This chilling period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll. When ready, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll the dough evenly from the center outwards, aiming for a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch, large enough to fit your pie plate. Now, carefully transfer your rolled pie sheet into your pie plate. You can gently fold it in half or quarters to make this easier. Once in the plate, unfold and press it gently into the bottom and sides. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang. This extra dough can be folded under and then crimped decoratively with your fingers or a fork, creating a beautiful edge for your pie. Your pie sheet is now ready for filling and baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.